In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable notifications on iCloud, specifically targeting how to stop those pesky iCloud notifications on your iPhone. If you find yourself constantly interrupted by countless iCloud pings, this video is for you. We'll break down the steps, making it straightforward for even the least tech savvy among us. Let's get started. First, we're going to dive into your iPhone's settings, so go ahead and locate your settings app on your home screen. It's the one with the little gear icon. Once you've tapped into settings, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to notifications. This area is where you have control over alerts, sounds, and notification badges for all the apps on your device. It's handy not only for iCloud, but for everything that might be flooding your notifications. Now, once you've entered the notifications section, it's going to show you a list of all the installed apps. For iCloud notifications specifically, you're either going to look for iCloud itself, if it's listed, or for specific apps tied to iCloud that might be sending you alerts. These could include apps like Find My or Files. Just scroll down until you locate either iCloud or the apps in question. Found it? Great. Now the next step is super easy. Once you've tapped on the app that's sending you these notifications, the magic lies in the Allow Notifications toggle. This is essentially the on-off switch for whether you receive alerts from this app or not. Simply toggle it off. When the switch is grey, that means notifications are off and you'll no longer receive alerts from iCloud or the related apps, depending on what you've decided to silence. And that's it. Disabling iCloud notifications really just takes a few quick taps, and you'll notice the difference almost immediately in the reduction of notification noise. It's a great way to tidy up what comes through to your device and maintain a bit more peace during your day. Remember, you can always head back into the notifications menu to make further adjustments or turn notifications back on if you miss them. The flexibility of adjusting these settings according to your current preferences is the beauty of this feature, so go ahead and enjoy a bit more tranquility without the interruption of constant iCloud alerts. That wraps up our tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out other videos for more useful tips and tricks on managing your Apple device. Thanks for watching and see you next time.